Good day, sir, madam. I am Celia Jose. I was born on September 12, 1988. I am 36 years old. I'm married, blessed with the two children. My highest educational attainment is vocational course of computer education. I work as domestic helper in Dubai for 2 years and 2 months, and I have served one couple and one teenage. I worked also in Qatar as domestic helper for 10 months, but I did not finish my contract because my employer is not good, and I served one couple and two teenagers. I worked also in Saudi Arabia as domestic helper for 5 years and 9 months, and I served one couple and three teenage. My main duties in my previous employer are cooking, ironing, washing, gardening, and car washing. My time work in abroad is 8 hours, started at 6 a.m. or 7 a.m. in the morning, and it finished 4 p.m. and 5 p.m. in the afternoon. Sometimes it's late if my employers have a visitors. If the parents of my employer always finding mistake to my work, I will do my best to improve my work. In feeding a baby, make sure all the bottles are clean and dry before use it. I can also sing a nursery rhyme like Johnny, Johnny, yes, Papa, eating sugar, no, Papa, telling lies, no, Papa, open your mouth, ha, ha, ha. My last message to my future employer, I am hardworking, trustworthy, humble, kind, and easily learner. And I promise to finish my 2 years contract and extend more if you need me. Thank you, ma'am and sir.